What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? Before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, sharing, comment, and hit that bell button below so you'll be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang, gang. Before you watch this video, like every other video, don't forget to, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You're watching me on YouTube. Same thing on Snapchat. SgmCashoutKing on Facebook. I'm gonna get right to the video, like I said. But if you want to join a real business, 18 or over, you got to be from the US. And like I said, it's a little investment. It's for those people that are afraid of it. You ain't got to worry about hitting me up. Don't waste my time or yours. Like I said, inbox me on Facebook right here on the like page, or hit me up on the DM on Instagram. But anyways, let's get into this video. Back on the iPad, like we never left. Back on the iPizzle. Let me open this up right here. This is one of my favorite apps. Some of you heard of it, some of you haven't. But it's right here. Future points. So let's get into it. Hopefully my Wi-Fi ain't acting up. Like I said, I've been acting up lately. I had to restart it a few times. So hopefully it's not. It's like, what's the time? It's like 2:30 p.m. I'm here drinking my iced coffee, chilling. You can call it my office, but sloppy office, whatever. But like I said, anyways, like I said, this is future points for you. Some of y'all that never heard of it. Like I said, if you have, you signed into my link, get on it, man. It's still paying out. Like I said, I've been paying out for a long time. You know what I mean? And it's simple. All you doing is downloading an app. Look at all these apps. All you doing is downloading apps. Like I said, see right here where it says 600. Press that right there. You fulfill the task. Like I said, look what you got to do here. You download it for 2 minutes, play for 2 minutes, and that's it. You'll get 600 points. All you gotta do, like I said, once you download it, like I said, you play it. Like I said, sometimes I tell y'all the trick. Sometimes you play for 2 minutes and you get a notification, but sometimes you don't. So I will play at least 3 minutes tops. So at least if it goes into pending, you'll get your points. Sometimes you don't get a notification, like I said. So your notifications on when you do download this from the link in the description, just in case. But sometimes you won't get nothing, because sometimes I don't get nothing when I do it, and I still get my point. It be pending for like maybe a few hours or whatever, but you're gonna eventually get it. But do more than 2 minutes. Once once you've been playing the game for 2 or 3 minutes. But this is all you're doing. Like I said, you're going right here. Download all of these apps. Once you finish with these apps, you'll probably get more the next day or so. But like I said, if you have an iPad or something like that, or maybe even a what's that called for the Android, you'll get more apps more than the phone. But like I said, everybody's not gonna be walking around with a with a tablet. If you're at home, then why not? But at the end of the day, all you have to do is download everything. Before you move on to anything, download everything. See all these apps? The minute I get off the phone, I'm gonna definitely get on it. So like I said, then we got surveys right here. You got Tab Search, you got Peanut Lab, Polefish, Speak Up. You can get up to 2,500 points. Doesn't mean you're gonna get all of them, because you're not gonna get all the surveys. So you can earn up to 2,500. Let's say roughly, you'll probably earn like 1,000, 1,500, anywhere near that range, 900. Like I said, because you're not gonna get all of them. You know what I mean? But there's other ways you can earn up here also. Like these are some of the prizes, but we're gonna get into all that. So right here, you can make a testimony, on YouTube. Some of y'all that got YouTube channels, you upload it from here, and you get 300 points. If you share, you share the YouTube video, earn up to 50 points. The same thing with Facebook, and the same thing with Twitter. It's the same thing. If you want to earn more rewards, let's go to that. You can share your link. This is my link right here. This is my code right here. YDDF33. Like I said, the link will be in the description below. So click that so you don't start on 0. You get 50 points, and you can crush it. But you can share it right here or right off the app, the Facebook, Twitter. This is your own. Facebook, Twitter. I believe this is Reddit, which I don't have. This is the text message, and this is Facebook inbox. You can share from there, or you can just make a video from here. Period. It's like, it's not that hard. Like I said, a lot of people, ain't earning, real quick on this one. I get from a lot of people that hit me up on the inboxes, There's, one of the most successful apps. These are one of my favorites. Is this one that people at least got to see $3 to $5. Period. But let's go to the rewards. You press right here, go to the rewards. You know what I mean? Now, like I said, they added Bitcoins, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people not messing with that. You know what I mean? You got Amazon, you got Google Play, you know, Best Buy, you know what I mean? Sephora for the ladies into that, Xbox, PlayStation, PayPal. My favorite is PayPal, you know what I'm saying? So PayPal, they even got to the dollar now. I don't even remember seeing that. So a dollar is only 600 points, which is light, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, of course, we want more than that. The minimum you should be pushing for, if you've never seen money with Future Point, you should be pushing for $5. That's the goal right there to start. You know what I'm saying? If you get more than that your first time, then hallelujah. You know what I mean? But $3, you know what I'm saying, is 1,800. $5 is 3,000. These are all like points that you can get. Like, it's not hard. You know what I mean? What's the next one? $10, 6,000. You know, the next one is $25, 15,000. $50, 30,000. $100, 60,000. 200 is 120,000. 500 is 300,000. And 1,000, which we all want to hit, is 600,000. Don't shoot for the stars yet. Like I said, if you could do it, you could do it. But like I said, you know, start small, take baby steps, and if it starts to take off faster than usual, then you're blessed. You know what I mean? But like I said, start small. I say for a goal for everybody that's starting. You know what I'm saying? Try to push for that 5. And once you push for that 5, then you go for the 10 and just climb your way. But if you can't even push for the 5, you can start with the 1. Try to see some money so you can see. Once you start seeing some money in your PayPal account, it definitely motivates you, whether it's $1 or it's $100. Like I said, I didn't know we start off, you know what I'm saying, making all this money. You know what I mean? I started off slow, but you know what the thing was? The secret is that everybody want to know. You want to know the secret? I never gave up. Because I would have gave up, I would have never knew if I could make $100 or $1,000 in this industry, period. Ever since then, I kept going. I started 5 years ago. I didn't start 5 years ago doing apps, but I started about a little over 2 years with the apps. But I started network marketing, period, and I don't work no more. You know what I'm saying? Because I didn't give up. I would have gave up 5 years ago. Believe me, you wouldn't be watching me right now on YouTube right now. I probably would have been at my job or another job. God knows doing what. I'd probably be doing security, because that's what I was doing. So anyways, these are all stuff that you can do right here. You know what I'm saying? Like I told you, it's not hard to do. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? It's not hard to do. Like I said, it's real easy. You gotta do exactly what I told you. Like I've been telling y'all, I got plenty of cash out videos. There's another thing I wanted to tell y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got Facebook, right? So a lot of y'all, even if you do, some of y'all probably don't got big, you know what I'm saying, cash outs. Go through my videos. Like I said, go through the videos. You know what I'm saying? You press the share button under this Facebook video. Not under this one, because this is not gonna be a cash out. Go to the one that I cashed out, whether it was 25, 50. Do something realistically, because if I got one for 100, 200, 300, it's good. It looks good, but people gonna be like, all right, most likely I'm not gonna be able to get that, so it's too good to be true. Get something small, like a $25 cash out or something like that, $10 cash out, so they could just see it. I'm saying, you go to that video, you press the share button. Obviously, it's gonna tell you when to share it to Facebook, Twitter, or whatever. You're gonna share it to Facebook, and then when you share it to Facebook, it's gonna tell you, you know, what you want to write. You put, you know what I'm saying, whatever you want to write. Oh yeah, there's this app pays, blah blah blah. Here's the link. You put your link. So when people watch the video, people know you. So you know what I'm saying, they're gonna believe you more than they're gonna believe me. You know what I'm saying? So they're gonna watch the video. They're gonna watch me cash out live. You know what I'm saying? And then they're gonna sign up with your link. So they're gonna help you get more points, right? And once you get more points, you're gonna get a cash out. So I just helped you. You know what I'm saying? Cash out, because I hope people come to the video, to your link, and once you get your cash out, you film your video. So now that people know your voice and know who you are, they're gonna believe in you. So once you show them your $5, $10, you put your link again. All the new people you add into your page or sharing with, you go, you know what? Oh, you don't believe me? Here go my video right here, and all you gotta do is share that with them, and that's it. It's that simple. Like I said, some people make it harder than what it is, but it's really not. Like I said, everything I'm doing right here that I do, I'm sharing it with y'all for free, for no reason, basically. Like I said, I'm sharing it with y'all. This is the same thing I do. Like I said, with a lot of stuff that I do, I don't need to be on YouTube. Like I said, that's why there's Facebook ads. Facebook ads, I gotta pay, but in order to make money, you gotta spend money. I know y'all heard that term before. To make money, you gotta spend money. Everything is not free. You can get free money, but eventually you're gonna have to do something. You know what I'm saying? To keep it going if you want to be your own boss. You know what I'm saying? All the people that own businesses, what you think they did? You think somebody gave him a McDonald's franchise? No, they didn't. They didn't give him a Starbucks franchise. That person had to get a loan from the bank, or he probably had money, worked all his life, saved the money, or he had to get a loan from the bank to get that Starbucks, and they got to pay all that stuff back. You get what I'm saying? They take money to make money. It's that simple. Like I said, I hope y'all take that knowledge in. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving all this free information. Hopefully, a lot of y'all take it out. There's a lot of people that do hit me. I'm telling me how they make money. And you know what I'm saying? God bless y'all. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what I do it for. Like I said, anything to help. But anyway, the link will be in the description below. And the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, so don't forget to subscribe. Become part of the SGM fam. Become part of the SGM fam. Become part of the SGM fam.
Money in the bank. Yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank. Yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank. Yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank. Yeah. Shout out what you drink.